Okay, hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Juniasam from BSE. I want to bring two presentations here, namely about computers and hardware. The general definition of a computer is a set of electronic tools that can be used to process data according to various procedures that have been properly formulated so that they are able to provide information that is very useful for its user. In fact, the word computer itself is taken from Latin, namely computere, which means to calculate. So, the simple definition of a computer is a tool capable of calculating arithmetic. Based on the definition of computer that we have discovered above, the function of computer are as follows. First, input data. Computer machines are capable of receiving information or data from another source that come from outside. This data will be easily revised through various activity on the keyboard, mouse, or from another computers and other equipment. 2. Data processing. The most information function of a computer is to be able to process data, so that it will be able to produce output in the form of information. Usually, data processed on a computer is available in the form of image, text, audio, graphic, and another. 3. Data output. The next function of the computers is to be able to provide output result after going through various data processing processes. This information can later be present use monitors, printers, and speakers. 4. Data storage. Computers can serve as a place to store data, so that the data can be found easily and sought by user. This data can later be stored in computer memory or external memory. And the last, data movement. Another function of a computer is to be able to transfer data or originating from one computer to another computer or variation another output device. Based on the function above, the component in a computer are defined in three groups. First, input component. The input component is a hardware component that is responsible for providing task command that will let be given to the computer. Some example of input component on a computer are keyboard, mouse, trackpad, pen, scanner, microphone, and another. 2. Process components. The process component is an component that has the task of processing a command given by brainware, so that it is then displayed on the computer output component. Some of the examples of process components are processor, motherboard, hard disk, and also RAM. 3. Output component. The output component is the component that is responsible for displaying information from a command that has been processed by the computer. Some of the output components on computer include the monitor, speakers, printer, and many more. If we look at the shape and size, computers are divided into 7 types. First, portable computer. A portable computer is a computer that is easy to carry anywhere, which can be useful for research needs in the field and moving from place to place. 2. Desktop computer. The definition of the desktop computer is a computer that is placed on a table. This type of computers has CPU that is separate from the keyboard and monitor. 3. Portable computers. A portable computer is a computer that is small and can even be used. This type of computer has been rarely used since the advent of smartphones. 2. Computer tower. The computer tower are computers that are a lot larger than desktop computer. Generally, this computer is stored on top or on the side of the table. This type of computer can be supplemented with supporting the device because it has an expansion slot. 5. Notebook computer. The definition of notebook computer is a computer that has a thinner size. Usually, this type of computer is used by students, teachers, and researchers who need a computer device that is light and compact. 6. Handbook. A handbook is a type of a notebook, but with a smaller size than a notebook. Usually, handbooks are supported by a very low specification processor. And the last, laptop computer. A laptop computer is a computer that can be placed on the user's lap. Laptops are supported by a CPU, monitor, and keyboard that are integrated and can be taken anywhere. Okay, to presentation 2 is hardware. The term hardware refers to the physical component of a computer that can be seen by the eye and held. So, hardware can be categorized into an internal and external component. Internal components collectively process or store instruction delivery by a program or operating system. Meanwhile, external components, or what are usually called peripheral devices, are installed into the computer to add and improve the computer's functionality. External hardware components are items that are often connected externally to a computer to control input and output functions. Okay. The main function of computer hardware is to provide support for the main function of the computer, such as input, transmission, output, secondary storage, and communication. If you use a laptop, then you have physical hardware in the form of the laptop itself and software in the form of operating system and application on it. Okay. In the hardware example, the following are the hardware components commonly found in a computer. First, motherboard. The motherboard is a unit that houses the central processing or CPU. This hardware has a shape like a printer circuit board. The motherboard functions as the central connection through which all other hardware components run. 2. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer, whose job is to process and execute digital instructions from various programs. Several CPU brains have different speeds. This speed determines the performance and efficiency of the computer in the processing data. 3. Hard drive. A hard drive is a permanent and temporary data storage space. In the hard drive, users can store various files in the various formats, such as programs, US, documents, photos, videos, and so on. 4. Keyboards. The keyboard component is an input device that displays a number of letters, numbers, and standard characters. This component allows users to enter text, numbers, or other special characters present via the keyboard. 5. Camera. The camera is also included in the external category of hardware components. These devices work by visually capturing images and streaming them to a computer or through the computer to a network device. 6. Microphone. Apart from being able to capture visual, there is also hardware that can capture sound, namely a microphone device. This device works by translating sound waves in electronic signals and supports computer-based communication. 7. A monitor. A monitor is an output device used to display the results of processing carried out by a computer in the forms of information needed by the person using the computer. And the last, mouse. A mouse is an input device that is useful for indicating the position of the cursor point or pointer on the monitor screen. Okay, well, it's a presentation for me. If there are any errors, whether intentionally or unintentionally, I apologize. Thank you very much and see you soon.